Welcome to Pristine Laundry Services. Lift the weight of laundry off your shoulders with our professional pickup and delivery service across Central PA. Get a break from the endless cycle of washing, drying, and folding. Feeling buried in laundry? Life happens. A busy work schedule, a new baby, or a hectic weekend can lead to mountains of laundry. Avoid the endless sorting, washing, and folding, and reclaim your precious weekends. There is a simpler way. Reclaim your time. The old way involves hours of sorting, washing, and folding. The Pristine way only takes a few minutes to schedule online and set your bag out. Stop letting laundry pile up and get your weekend back without lifting a finger. Get fresh, folded laundry delivered in 3 easy steps. First, schedule online to book your pickup and set your preferences. Second, we pick up your laundry bags from your doorstep on the scheduled day. Third, we deliver your professionally cleaned, dried, and neatly folded items back to you. We provide uncompromising care for every garment. Jackets and delicates are returned, hung, and protected in garment bags. Clothes are expertly sorted and treated, with optional stain removal. Plus, everything is precision folded, making put away effortless and delivered with a fresh scent. We offer service options tailored to your needs, including mobile wash and fold, pickup and delivery for busy households, and commercial laundry for local businesses. Depending on the service, you can drop off or enjoy doorstep or facility pickup. Pristine Laundry is your reliable choice in Central PA, providing unwavering service across the region. We prioritize clear and consistent communication, so you are always informed about your order status. Check your zip code online to confirm service in your area. We offer quality service with clear, transparent pricing. Options include fold only, wash no fold, standard wash and fold, and the best value reoccurring wash and fold. A la carte services like same day, next day, and stain removal treatments are also available. Our happy customers speak for themselves, sharing how Pristine Laundry has given them extra time, provided amazing service, and made their lives easier with perfectly folded and delivered clothes. Pristine Laundry is more than just clean clothes. It's about time saved, transparent pricing, and unwavering reliability, resulting in the ultimate peace of mind. Imagine the relief of having baskets of clothes vanish, freeing you to focus on what truly matters. Ready to get caught up? Stop letting laundry pile up. Schedule your first pickup today and enjoy the feeling of fresh, clean, folded laundry delivered right to your door. Schedule your pickup now or call us at 717-884-9152.